Hello everyone, we are going to unbox the TINA2 BASIC 3D printer. After receiving the machine, please check the sealing sticker to avoid receiving a second-hand machine. Open the packaging and take out all parts. This QR code can be used to contact after-sales service. Now, we start setting up the machine. The first step is to remove the foam. Step 2, remove the tape. Step 3, follow the instructions on the label to remove the shaft coupling shell. Step 4, take out the filament tube, press the tube fitting, and insert it into the extruder. Step 5, plug in the power cord and turn on the power. Thanks for watching. If you encounter problems, please contact after sales.